Lotus Arthur again, and I have a 7 Series 2014 740i, and this car would shut off randomly when driving. I was able to get a code out of it. It's CD0524, which is fuel pressure related. And this car already had the fuel pump control module replaced not that long ago. So what I'm thinking is the fuel pump is probably going out. I did find one connector that was a little bit dark. Can't see where is it, but it's so I'm thinking it's probably heating up and then shutting off. Now the problem is not that part. The problem is what I'm going to show you is how to replace is this fuel pressure regulator fuel filter, which on these cars is located inside the tank, and it's a really pain to get out. I did remove the old one. I was trying to figure out how to take it out. It was not coming out for whatever reason. It was really stuck in there. What you have to do is first, let me show you on the car. Is you remove the cap that goes here. Once you have the cap out and the connectors and some of these hoses removed, you are able to remove the fuel pump itself, which is located here. It's held by this bracket over here. You just pop this out like this, and this comes out, and fuel pump actually is pretty easy to take out. Now the pressure regulator, fuel filter pressure regulator, which is like a one-piece regulator, sits there. There's a couple of clips here. You pull it out, and the other part is deep inside the tank on that side. Not this hole, but there's another hole right past there, so you can't really see it. I was looking with the camera, try to see. I'll show you a little clip what I was trying to do in a minute. There is a little clip on it that you have to pull, and the filter comes out. You can see how dirty this one is. There's dirty fuel coming out. So this part you have to pull towards this can, and then this should technically pull out. Now the problem is when you try to pull this, there's almost no room to put your hands in there. But even if you can, it doesn't want to come out. I was trying to pull it. I thought maybe the bucket itself has to move, but that one is solid, is not going anywhere. And I was looking at the new one. This is the same scenario. So I was trying to use a pick. I'll show you right now what I was trying to do with the camera. But that wasn't working. It was still doing the same thing. So what I ended up doing, and it actually worked, is I pressed this down more into the bottom of the tank, and then I pulled it. Then this came out. It has like a little lip, or it's either a little bit angled, you can see, or it was stuck in there and it wasn't coming out. That way it did come out. It's still very tight. There's a line here you have to disconnect, which this piece broke off, but I was able to remove that piece separately. It's this piece. So, and then you have to turn it around in the tank towards the driver's side, and then it does eventually come off. Now the new one, I would imagine it goes in the same way, and this one sits there. So now I'm gonna try to put it back in, and I'll show you guys how to put it back in. Okay, so I'm going to feed in from this end, like this, on it. Careful not to break the connectors on it. hard to show, but you just have to feel what's going on. This way. Okay, there was a pretty good struggle. So it went in. So that filter itself, it sits at an angle. It's like at maybe 40-degree angle or something. It's not straight down. It's kind of like sideways a little bit. It's hard to show. It's right there. It was kind of hard to click it back in to the place. It went in and I had to push it and then move the tab back with my finger. It took a while to get it back into place finally. This is the other end. The regulator end sits there. This plastic connector is under here. And then I'm going to clean up a little bit under there. I'll try to clean at least inside. There's some debris in there. And then reassemble it back. connectors back on. I'm not going to put this cover back on yet. I'm going to start the car, make sure there's no leaks, and then I'll put this back on. Okay, expecting a little bit longer crank time. Going to turn on the ignition, let it cycle a little bit. Just gonna go look for leaks, see if there's any leaks or not. Okay, I don't see any leaks. Usually when there's leaks, you'll see spraying right away, so I'm not expecting any other leaks here, because I did put a new seal as well, so it should be all good. I can put this cover back on. So that was about it for this car. It was kind of a pain to replace those parts, but I was able to get it done. It's, for some reason, they made it really difficult to remove that filter. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. I did look up, I didn't see any videos about this at all, so I decided to make one. It's not a super high-tech video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. More videos to come. Thank you.